And if you read about Daniel's vision, Daniel made it very clear. He said so that there will be a mixture of clay and iron at the feet level. And iron, we studied that iron was displaying actually the Roman Empire. Are you getting me? So the stone came out of nowhere and hit directly on the feet and destroyed them. And I am 100% sure now that the time when the Lord is returning back, Roman Empire style kingdom will be back. And Augustus word was actually given to me for two reasons. To search it and align with 23rd, because he was born on 23rd. And another information within this same word Augustus is that it was the Roman emperor at the birth of Jesus Christ. He was alive and he will be again here